Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. So I just want to talk about shirt placement and the size for your garment. So I have shown where whenever you have a pocket tee, there's so many different ways to do it, but this is the way that I like to do it. So I will take from this corner right up here and I come down and I will put my 3 or 4 fingers and I will start my placement in the center of the name or whatever right here. So with that being said, some people ask me what is too big on a design. So what I like to say is I don't go no more than 3 fingers from that point over, because it's excess that no one will ever see when wearing it unless it's a man. All right, so if you go from here and that gives you a line, that tells you you can add this side and this side, and that's your size of what it should be. I wouldn't go any further over that because I have a few examples here. Let me, so this one is a great size, and let me open it up and show you. And I will tell you, all the shirts that you see here, I have a YouTube tutorial on. And so this one is a good size. And this one right here is a little oversized because, no, this one isn't. I'm sorry. And so you have your grid right here. So that's a good size on that one. And this one is a great size. I like keeping smaller if I can stay no more than 3 fingers over, then the design looks great on it. Now I do have this one right here, and the reason why I made this one so big is because it's so pretty, and this is just a display. So let's see if I can. Okay, so I just wanted to come on and show you that is how I like to place it. And then from the top, I like to do my 4 fingers and then start the design right there. Like I said, that is just the way that I like to do it. There's several different ways to do it. If you have any questions about this, comment below and I'll be glad to answer them. And all these shirts you can find YouTube tutorial on our YouTube. Thanks. Have a great day.